Hi everybody, I'm just doing this quick tutorial to show to all of you how to design parapet in Designer, because I know that is a topic that has been requested several times. So I took this building as an example, so we can do this one quite quickly. So first of all, what you have to do when you start to design, we start straight away with the building. So I'm focused on this building in particular. And what I'm going to do is the first things that you need to do is design the internal part of the building. So in this case, I'm designing the internal part really quickly, really simple, like this. And now I'm going to move forward to there. Here we go. Now I'm going to deactivate the grid because I want to check if all the angles are 90 degree. When 90 degree, I'm happy with the result. That's it. So next things that I'm going to do in this case, I want just to show the parapet in the middle. I'm going to click in the middle to select the middle part, and I'm happy with that. So now it's time to do the outside part. So the outside part is really simple. Again, I'm going to select one point, and now I'm going to design in the same way I designed previously, like this. I'm going down like this. I'm going to probably cut in there like this. I'm going this way, and I'm coming back in this way. Really simple. Here we go. And now I'm going to close that one in there. So now again, as you can see, I have one big square that is defining the building outside and one smaller square internally that is defining the building internally. So now, if I'm going to go in 3D, you will see that this one is how your building looks like. And as you notice, if I'm going to select any point and I try to move it, you can see that he's already created the parapet for you. So you don't have to even to split the line because the software is already recognized that one. Very good. So now the only thing that you need to do is what I did exactly here. As you can see, is already split. So the only thing that I'm going to give is now the pitch of the roof. Let's say 10, and it's going to go straight away. I'm going to select this one as a maximum point where I want to have my height there. So 536. Now I'm going to select, click double, 36. Here we go. Now, as you can see, I create your building with the parapet around. And as you can see now, exactly in there. In case you have any issue that this functionality doesn't work, what I recommend to do really simple is select all those lines around, this one, the other one, the other one. Remember to hold control for do this operation. Same like window, you can select. The really simple things to do is just click on split and you will see that all the lines are getting double, so you know that I forgot this one. I will split this one as well in case the functionality that I showed you previously didn't work, but it should work straight away in this way. So now, as you can see, we create our building with the parapet around. The roof can be pitched, can be flat, really simple, really easy. This is the way how you do it. And now, really quickly, I want to show to all of you also the impact of the radiance on your parapet, and now make your design much easier to do. I hope this was useful. If you have any questions, just feel free to drop me an email. And if you have any idea, I would really appreciate if you can send me an email too about this. Thank you and see you the next time.